The case of David v. Calilung, the story starts with Lucila David and the heirs of René F. Aguas seeking to declare the marriage between René and Cherry Calilung null and void. After René's passing, his heirs took up the cause, believing they had the right to continue the petition. However, the regional trial court, RTC in Angels City, dismissed their petition, citing a lack of jurisdiction. This prompted the heirs to bring their case to the Supreme Court, hoping for a different outcome. The situation raises important questions about who can file such petitions and which court should properly hear them. Let's explore how the legal process unfolded and why jurisdiction and standing matter so much in family law cases. Key issue in this case was whether the RTC branch, which was not designated as a family court, had the authority to decide on the petition for nullity of marriage. The Supreme Court clarified that only family courts have exclusive jurisdiction over such petitions. This means that even if a regular RTC hears the case, it cannot validly decide on matters involving the declaration of nullity of marriage. The law is clear. Family courts are specifically established to handle sensitive family matters, ensuring that these cases are dealt with by judges trained in family law. This requirement protects the integrity of family proceedings and ensures that the right procedures are followed from the very start. Another crucial question was whether the heirs of René F. Aguas could continue the petition after his death. The Supreme Court ruled that petitions for declaration of nullity of marriage are strictly personal actions. This means that only the spouses themselves can file and pursue these cases. Once a spouse passes away, the action does not survive, and heirs cannot substitute themselves as petitioners. The court emphasized that the law treats marriage nullity as a matter deeply personal to the individuals involved, not something that can be passed on or continued by others. This principle ensures that such sensitive matters remain within the direct concern of the parties to the marriage. Its final ruling, the Supreme Court affirmed the dismissal of the petition. The court reiterated that only family courts have the authority to hear petitions for declaration of nullity of marriage, and that such actions are strictly personal. They cannot be continued by heirs after the death of a spouse. This decision underscores the importance of following proper legal procedures and respecting the personal nature of marriage cases. By doing so, the court aims to maintain the integrity and sensitivity required in family law, ensuring that only those directly involved can seek such life-changing remedies.